The process begins long before production. It starts with controlled arrival of raw materials. After entry, the vehicle moves smoothly through a controlled access lane. Sanitation systems operate automatically.
Guided alignment brings the vehicle precisely into position. Only after correct placement is the dock sealing assistance.
Once the vehicle is correctly positioned, the dock sealing system engages automatically.
A heavy-duty industrial robot performs pallet transfer with precision. Movement is programmed, stable, and repeatable. Before detailed sorting, product flow is stabilized. Uniform spacing ensures accurate downstream analysis.
Fruit size is measured in line using precision sensors. Fruit by size. Uniformity improves processing efficiency. Ripeness is assessed through spectral analysis. Sugar optimal use for each processing stream. Advanced vision systems detect surface defects with high precision. Non-compliant fruit is removed automatically. The main flow remains uninterrupted. Post-sorting weighing confirms yield and distribution accuracy. Approved fruit is buffered by category, ready for the next processing stage. Sorting is complete. The fruit now moves into the closed-loop washing system.
Before detailed sorting, product flow is stabilized. Uniform spacing ensures accurate downstream analysis.
Fruit size is measured in line using precision sensors. Fruit by size. Uniformity improves processing efficiency. Ripeness is assessed through spectral analysis. Sugar use for each processing stream. Advanced vision systems detect surface defects with high precision. Non-compliant fruit is removed automatically. The main flow remains uninterrupted. Post-sorting weighing confirms yield and distribution accuracy. Approved fruit is buffered by category, ready for the next processing stage. Sorting is complete. The fruit now moves into the closed-loop washing system.
Prepared pineapple enters the juice processing line. From this point forward, the system remains fully sealed.
Primary crushing gently breaks down the fruit structure. No exposure. No uncontrolled force. Secondary refining stabilizes texture while preserving natural juice quality.
Juice extraction occurs inside a sealed press. Pressure is applied with precision. Solid pulp is separated and routed independently. The juice stream remains protected. Inline filtration removes remaining solids. Flow remains continuous. Fine filtration stabilizes clarity while maintaining natural color. Juice is held in an aseptic buffer tank. Conditions remain stable and protected. Juice parameters are standardized in line. Consistency is achieved without manual adjustment. Juice parameters are standardized in line. Consistency is achieved without manual adjustment. Preparation is complete. The juice is now ready for preservation.
The juice enters a dedicated preservation module. From this point, all conditions are tightly controlled.
Mild thermal treatment ensures microbial safety while preserving natural characteristics. A controlled holding phase completes the preservation process. Flow rate and holding time are precisely maintained. Immediately after holding, the juice is rapidly cooled. Temperature is reduced evenly to stabilize. Pressure is stabilized to protect downstream equipment and maintain a steady flow. After preservation, the juice is held in an aseptic tank. Conditions remain stable and protected. Flow is stabilized in preparation for filling. Consistency is maintained throughout the line. The filling line is sanitized through a closed-loop CIP cycle. No disassembly is required. Filling modules are synchronized and verified. Precision is confirmed before product entry. All preparations are complete. The juice is now ready for aseptic filling.
Premium glass bottles enter the line in a controlled, upright flow. Spacing and stability are maintained from the start.
Each bottle is cleaned in line using filtered air. The internal surface remains protected. Decapping is performed automatically within a sealed system. Bottle alignment remains perfectly stable.
Each bottle is precisely positioned before filling. Alignment is verified without manual adjustment. Aseptic filling is performed with drip-free precision. Fill level remains consistent across every bottle. Filling heads retract cleanly. Bottlenecks remain protected at all times.
After filling, each bottle is fully filled with consistent pineapple juice. Filling heads retract in a controlled vertical.
After filling, each bottle carries a consistent volume of pineapple juice. Caps are supplied automatically through a closed system, ready for precise sealing.
Seal integrity is verified automatically. Only bottles that meet strict standards continue forward.
Filling and capping are complete. Each bottle exits the line sealed, clean, and visually consistent.
Sealed bottles move smoothly into the labeling line. Product appearance remains consistent and controlled.
Sealed bottles move directly into labeling. The line never slows.
Labeling happens in motion. The line never stops.
Each label features a clean, premium pineapple design. Placement is precise and consistent.
Labels are secured instantly. Motion is never interrupted. Inspection runs at full speed. Only flawless bottles continue. Momentum is maintained. The line stays tight and fast.
Robots pack labeled bottles at speed. Precision remains absolute. Export cartons are formed and sealed in one flow.
Packaging completes at full pace. The system keeps moving forward.
Qualified pineapple is diverted instantly. The drying line takes over.
High-speed slicing delivers uniform cuts. Every motion is controlled. Slices are rinsed in line. The process stays fast and sealed. Slices are spread evenly. Airflow is optimized from the start. Trays enter the drying chamber without interruption. Drying parameters are tightly controlled. Moisture is removed evenly. Drying parameters are tightly controlled. Moisture is removed evenly. Vision systems sort dried pineapple instantly. Only premium pieces continue. Approved dried pineapple moves directly to packaging. Drying is complete. The product is ready for final packaging.
Dried pineapple moves straight into packaging. The line runs at full pace.
Weighing happens in milliseconds. Every portion stays consistent. Dried pineapple drops cleanly into each pack. No waste. No delay. Sealing follows immediately. Every pack is secure. Packages are flattened and aligned. The flow stays fast. Labels are applied in motion. Real pineapple imagery defines the product. Labels are set instantly. No slowdown. Labels are set instantly. No slowdown. Inspection runs in line. Only compliant packs continue. Secondary packing keeps pace. The system stays tight. Dried pineapple packs move into printed cartons. Real pineapple imagery defines every box. The line keeps moving. Secondary packaging is complete. Every carton carries a clear pineapple identity. Secondary packaging is complete. Every carton carries a clear pineapple identity. The product is ready to move.
Cartons move directly into the logistics zone. Spacing stays controlled.
Robots stack cartons with speed and precision. Every pallet is uniform. Each pallet is secured immediately. Stability is ensured. Each pallet is identified automatically. The flow never stops. Autonomous vehicles take over. Pallets move without delay. Finished goods enter controlled storage. Everything stays organized. Storage follows batch logic. Traceability is maintained. Orders trigger automated dispatch. Accuracy is built in. Pallets load directly onto transport vehicles. The dock stays efficient.
Logistics are complete.
This facility runs continuously. Every system stays in motion. Quality control is built into every stage. Nothing is left to chance.
Every batch is tracked. Traceability is continuous. 2 product lines. 1 synchronized system.
Export standards are maintained throughout handling and logistics. Every movement follows a controlled process. Export standards are maintained throughout handling and logistics. Every movement follows a controlled process.
The facility is built to scale. Capacity can expand without disruption.
Automation drives every stage. Human intervention is removed. This is modern pineapple processing, built for speed, built for consistency.
Byproducts are collected through a dry, enclosed system. Material stays contained at all times.
Separation happens mechanically. No liquid is released. Primary grinding operates in a dry, enclosed chamber.
Fine grinding delivers a uniform dry material.
Moisture is stabilized without liquid addition.
Biological conversion runs in a sealed, dry module. Dry mixing ensures uniform conversion.
Temperature is stabilized before shaping.
Granulation forms clean, uniform pellets.
Dry cooling locks in pellet stability. Dry screening ensures consistent particle size.
Off-size material is recirculated automatically. Pellet surfaces are stabilized for handling. Dry pellets move cleanly into packaging. Dosing remains accurate at full speed. Each bag is sealed cleanly and securely. Inspection runs in line without slowing the line. Robots palletize with speed and precision. Pallets are stabilized for transport. Byproducts are transformed into stable output. The system remains fully closed.
Raw materials enter through a controlled, enclosed flow.
Raw materials enter through a controlled, enclosed flow. Pineapples are cut and extracted inside a sealed process. Juice flows cleanly through stainless steel lines. Bottles are filled, sealed, and labeled at full speed. Every step stays in motion. Fresh pineapple becomes dried products on parallel lines. Efficiency is maximized.
Byproducts are transformed into stable fertilizer. Nothing is wasted. One facility. One system. Built for speed. Built for consistency.